Hello friends, I am Sagnik. Welcome to Curly Brushes. So friends, today I will show you how to draw a bottle in Adobe Illustrator. You can draw this bottle very easily. So let's start. But first, I'll take a page of 960 by 560 points. On this page, I will start my drawing. So here, first I'll take the rectangle tool. Okay, and then draw here a rectangle just like this, and I'll give this rectangle a pink color, which will be this one, and then remove its stroke. Now I'll again take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle just like this. Okay. Now I'll select this whole structure, select a rectangle once more by clicking on it, and then press Shift plus F7 on the keyboard and bring up the align panel. So now I'll click on the distribute horizontal distribute center. So it's now in the center, this square. So now I will take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle just like this. Now I'll select this anchor of it and drag it over here, this anchor of it and drag it over here, not here. I'll select this anchor and then drag it just like this, and I have to remember the dx and dy. So 74 by 33 means 74.33. Okay, I have to drag it. Yes, just like this. Now I'll select this one, change its color and make it a little bit darker. Yes. Now I'll again take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle just like this, and then round its corner a little, very little. Okay, just like this, and then bring it upward, and then I'll decrease its size a little to fit it over here. Now I'll get the shape builder tool wait, first I have to place it over here. Wait. Now I'll select this, get the shape builder tool, and then cut out this part as well as this part. Okay. Now I will again take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle which will be very thin, very thin, and it will be more darker color, this one. Okay, now I'll take the direct selection tool, select this anchor, drag it little bit here, and then this anchor, drag it little bit over here. Yes. Now I'll again take the rectangle tool, then draw here a rectangle from here to here just like this. Now I'll select this color only. Okay, now I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle just like this, and then give it a lighter color which will be this one, and then select it using the direct selection tool and get the pen tool, and then add here two anchors, one over here, another over here. Now using the direct selection tool, I'll select this anchor and drag it little bit inside, and this anchor drag it little bit inside. Now I'll write around these two anchors just like this. Now this anchor too. Yes, just like this. Now I'll make it just like this. Now I'll again take the rectangle tool and then draw here a rectangle just like this, and then give it this color first. Okay. Now I'll select this anchor and round it, or I will select this anchor and then pressing shift on the keyboard I'll select this anchor also and then round them, make them just like this. Now I'll select this whole structure and make it little bit just like this, and then again select it and wait, sorry, yes. Now I'll select it and then reduce its size. Yes, I'll decrease this size a little too and then increase this size and then make it touch it over here. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll add the shadows and highlightings to it. For that, I'll take the pen tool and draw them, but before that I'll select this two rectangles and then drag it little bit inside using the down arrow key. Now I'll select this anchor of this one and then drag it little bit inside, and this anchor drag it little bit inside. Okay. Now I'll round this two also. Yes. Now I'll right click, I have bring it little bit over here. I'll right click on it, arrange, bring it to front. Yes, now let's start with the shadows and highlightings. Now I'll give it a darker color and then continue this process again and again. So there I go. So our shadows and highlightings are ready, but here I will change some of the colors just like this, these highlightings a little bit, because it is not matching with these two colors. Yes, this is okay, so I'll select this. I'll give all these colors using the eyedropper tool. Now I'll select this one and then get the pen tool, and pressing Alt on the keyboard I'll bend it a little bit. I will recreate this part because it is not looking good. So I'll make it more thicker. Yes, this one. And then okay. Now I'll select the whole structure, get the shape builder tool, then cut out this part and this part too. Okay. Now I'll give it a lighter color, more lighter one. Yes, this one. So here our bottle is ready, but I would like to increase this size a little bit more, and from here a little bit more. Yes, now I'll select this, get the shape builder tool, and then cut out these two unwanted parts. Okay. Yes, so here our bottle is ready, but here I will add one more background over here. So I'll get the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle according to the size of the page, and then give it a darker background, and then right click on it, arrange, send to back. I'll go to the layers panel and then lock the background layer, and then select this and place it in the middle. So here our bottle is ready. So friends, if you like our today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So friends, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.